is Elham, and I'm a amateur singer from Afghanistan. And today I'm in the shop of Mr. QASIM NIYAZI and Sons, which is located in Delhi and near the Lakshmi Nagar metro station. And today I'm their guest, and I bought for myself a pair of nice tablas, and I got one tabla last year, and their quality was so good that I decided to come and buy another pair, which this is my own tabla. And I can approve of Mr. QASIM NIYAZI's work of tabla quality. The quality is really the best. Already they are popular. And this is Mr. Mahmoud, is now like my friend.
Hello.
Yeah, and this is Mr. Mujib, who made my tabla, this beautiful tabla that you see. Actually I'm very happy with their work, and on the other side they are very honest in their price and their quality. They will offer you what really the quality is. And also they are very helpful as well for those people who they come from abroad, like me coming from Afghanistan. Sometimes I'm staying in London and coming here, so they are helping me like a family member here and helping me in whatever I need. So yeah, it's going to be very good for, especially for those people if they want to buy tabla and they're coming from abroad. Then the best place would be Lakshmi Nagar, their shop. So I honestly recommend it to everyone. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, he is our
Elham.
best friend, and he's a very nice nature person, and he's a very honest. So I was made for him a new tabla, and this is a tabla and baya. Can you close to the camera here? This tabla you can play three scales: C, C sharp, and D. Very good resonance.
Yes.
Almas bhai is very
Yes,
happy
it's
to our
very-
product and our quality. Then please you can come also and you check here. We provide a best quality tablas to everyone who's a beginner, who's a professional tabla player. So that's our aim, and we only supply a best one. So Almas bhai last year that was came here and bought us some tablas, and now he is coming again for this repair this tabla, and the baya is here. Very good resonance also. So please, if you are a new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the like button, and please share the video to everyone. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.
سلام دوستای بسیار عزیز. امروز ما در دهلی هستم، در لکشمی ناگر، در دکان طبله سازی آقای قاسم نیازی و بچه هایش، و این آقای محمود است که بچه استاد قاسم نیازی است و صاحب از این دکان طبله فروشی است. کوالیتی کار از اینا بسیار خوبش است. من یک طبله ازشون پارسال گرفتم، طبله بسیار خوبی بود و یک طبله دیگه هم اینه من امروز ترمیم کردن برای من. البته این طبله رو من از جای بسیار من این دیگه گرفته بودم، منتها پوستش اینا خراب شده و اینا پوست نو انداختن، ترمیمش کردن و بسیار ریزونیشن بسیار خوبی داره. اگر حالا شما ببینید ریزونیشنش بسیار خوبش است، کار کوالیتیشون بسیار خوبش است، مردمای بسیار صادقی هستن و در قسمت قیمتش انصاف دارن و برای کسایی که از خارج بسیار کمک میکنن، راهنمایی میکنن. من بسیار زیاد راهنمایی کردن دیگه. اگر کسی راستی هم میخواد از افغانستان به طبله بگیره، با آدرس از اینا با وبسایتشون مراجعه بکنه و مطمئن باشین که اینا بسیار کمک میکنن. مرا کمک کردن، افغانای دیگه را کمک کردن و مردمای مطمئن هستن، مردمای خیرخواه هستن. دیگه من صرف به خاطر ازی که برای دوستا کار آسان شود و بدون ازی که سرگردان شوند در دهلی، راسن و مستقیما بیاین به دکان آقای قاسم نیازی. تشکر.